This is Sita, an IT professional, a homemaker and a mother of a 20 years old daughter, and just want to talk about my fitness journey which I started from at the age of 40. When I was reaching my 37-38, I felt that my body is totally transforming it into a different era. Like I'm not able to move up or down at least for 2 floors in the stairs. I'm not able to walk properly. I feel a kind of gasping everything. So I decided my body is going to a different level and I need to pick up somewhere else that I can make myself so active and at least lead my day-to-day course. So I just approached Dio Fitness Club and asked Mr. Marishwaran about it. What is that is transforming till this age of 38 I was so active. Then he told me, yes, you need to make slight lifestyle modifications to keep up the progression. So I just started my fitness journey with Dio Fitness Club. They focused on the functional training aspects, very much science-backed, time-bound, and a very healthy format of training, not overdoing anything, at the same time not feeling very low physically. They just started training me, keeping my age in mind with the functional training aspect. Slowly I picked up the pace and transformed myself into this healthy style by keeping myself so consistent, disciplined, not only in terms of working out but also with the food. So when it comes to food and nutrition, it's not about eating less. We just have to have portion control, keeping macros in mind in the calculation, and not to see social media guidance about your nutrition and food. If you really want to go with a portion control and with a good nutrition, you just approach a nutritionist or dietitian, get your food chart and follow it along with your workouts. That's the success factor of my transformation, and I immediately urge forward all the women community to go for workouts, not starting from 40 like me, at least after your post-pregnancy. And not only for that, even young girls can also start their journey to keep up their lives so good. So when I see, if I come forward to do workouts, my entire family gets benefited. If a woman takes an initiative in a family, means it is very good for the family, it's good for the women community in and around us. You can transform your friends, you can give your inputs to your relatives and so on. So that is the real one that is behind your success. Not only you getting transformed, how you are going to impart it to your community. So last but not the least, who helped me to do this? Obviously my Dio Fitness community, my master Mr. Marishwaran, my trainers Keertana, Hariharan and Saravana Selvan. So I needed their support and they just helped me wherever I needed their support. And Mr. Marishwaran brought up me to this level not in a single day. It took 3.5 years for me to come, stand and speak like this in front of you, but that was a real challenge after by 50, because I'm a pure vegetarian and just started eating eggs, not because of anyone's compulsion. I started on its own. Otherwise I'm not a non-vegetarian also to lift weights or something. That's not actually needed. If you follow the correct guidance from a coach like him and you start taking your food and nutrition properly, you will come up to this level. So I just want to insist every woman in the community, immaterial of your age, just think first in what level you are. You are much needed for your family. If you are much needed for your family for the ages, you need to be healthy enough first to help your family. So make yourself healthy and active throughout the day, not only just by doing the workouts. You do walk, you do run, you go to a shop, not through an auto or two-wheeler, walk and go. You just go to a temple where you have to take up the stairs and shift your lifestyle like that. Okay, so that's my message to all the women community. Thank you so much.